If we say e to the x equals 2, then we know that x equals ln of 2. But if we say x times e to the x equals 2, what is x? So the answer is x times e to the x equals a, then x is w of a. W is actually just the inverse function of x times e to the x. That means that this will be x. It also means that w of x times e to the w of x will give us x back. You should know what the derivative of ln of x is, but it's always good to refresh. So we say the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. This is what we know. So why is the derivative of ln x equal to 1 divided by x? Well, we take the derivative of both sides of this equation. We know that this is equal to 1. The derivative of this will be, following the chain rule, will be e to the ln x, but we multiply by the derivative of what is over here, which is ln x. So that's going to be d dx ln x equals 1. We know that this part is x because of the definition. We'll just keep this part. And that's equal to 1. Now if we bring this x to this side by dividing, we get d over dx of ln x is 1 divided by x. Now let's do the same thing for w function. So we take the derivative of this. We know that this is 1. This is actually going to be really long, because we have to use the product rule and the chain rule over here. So the product rule will be this one times the derivative of this one plus the derivative of this one times this one. So this one times the derivative of this plus the derivative of this times this. The next step will be to work this out. We don't know this, because that's what we want to calculate. So we say w of x times the derivative of this So following the chain rule will be e to the w of x times the derivative of what's inside. And then we just copy this. Now this will be x by definition. Now we can factor out this one because they're the same. And now we just divide by this, and we get the answer. But we can still simplify this. So let's multiply the top and bottom by w of x. Over here we'll just get w of x because 1 times anything itself. This x, we just multiply by w of x, so and then we add e to the w of x times the w of x, but that's by definition just x. So that's the answer. I've now got 3 challenges for you. So this is just an equation, x to the power of x equals 5. Then what is x? This is weird because it's a to the power of a to the power of a to the power of a repeating all the way up. And what will it converge to? And also when will it converge? And this is another equation, x equals a to the power of x. Then what is x?